Unraveling the charm of twig decor, a cozy twist to your space. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase that you might encounter in interior design magazines or home decoration blogs: twig decor. It's a simple phrase, but it holds a delightful concept within it. So, let's dive in and understand what twig decor really means and how you can use it in everyday English conversation. Twig decor refers to decorative items or design elements that use twigs, which are small, thin branches typically from trees or bushes, as their primary material or inspiration. The term combines two simple English words. Twig, a small thin branch of a tree or bush. Decor, short for decoration. It refers to the style and appearance of a room or building. When we say twig decor, we are talking about using these small branches in creative ways to add a natural, rustic, or even elegant touch to a room or an event setting. The beauty of twig decor lies in its versatility and natural appeal. It can range from a minimalist centerpiece on a dining table to an elaborate wall art installation. Twig decor is often used to bring a sense of the outdoors inside, creating a serene and earthy atmosphere. Here are a few examples of how twig decor can be used. Vases filled with twigs painted in different colors. Picture frames adorned with small twigs around the edges. Chandeliers made from intertwining twigs for a rustic look. Holiday decorations, like Christmas trees or wreaths made entirely out of twigs. In addition to its aesthetic value, twig decor can also have symbolic meanings. It often represents growth, nature, and life. In many cultures, bringing branches or twigs inside is a way to symbolize bringing life and nature into the home, especially during the colder months when outdoor life is dormant. Twig decor can also be a nod to sustainability and eco-friendliness, as it utilizes natural and often locally sourced materials, which reduces the environmental impact compared to synthetic decorations. Twig decor is more than just a trend. It's a timeless approach to bringing a piece of nature into our living spaces. It can be both a stylish and eco-conscious choice, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and simplicity to any interior. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful concept of twig decor, and perhaps inspired you to try it out in your own space. Thank you.